Good morning, everyone. I'm here to present program 2 of our C programming lab, which is to read 3 numbers to find the biggest among 3. Program to read 3 numbers to find the biggest of 3. This lab is part of the course code UC23CA1106. The objective of this program is take 3 numbers as input from the user, compares them using conditional logic here, determines and displays the largest number among the 3. This program helps us learn the use of if-else conditions and logical operators here. A program description of the second lab program is, here is a quick overview of how the program works. It accepts 3 numbers from the user. It can be an integer or a decimal values. It then compares them using if else and else conditions. The largest value is then printed with 2 decimal precision. The program works even when 2 or all 3 numbers are the equal. Here is the source code of this program, that is the biggest of 3 numbers here. Here I am taking the num1, num2, num3 are the 3 floating variables. Num1, num2, num3 are the reading values of 3 numbers. The program checks each number using to account for the equal values. %.2f is used to display 2 digits after the decimal value. If num1 is greater than or equal to both num2 and num3, it's printed as the biggest. If not, then num2 is compared against the other 2. Otherwise, num3 is considered the largest. This ensures all conditions including ties are handled gracefully. This is the output after running the biggest of 3 numbers using C. So let I show how this source code works under the CodeBlock software. So here I am taking the course code for the biggest of 3. This is the course code of the biggest of 3 numbers using the C program. Here I am taking the file. Just copy the code here, save the program and debug the program and run as usual. Here we are displaying the one output page, enter the 3 numbers. Here I am taking any 3 input variables or input integer or a floating values here. The biggest number is 354.00. Here we are getting the 0.00 because here we are taking the float values, that is the decimal values. So after entering the input 3 values, we are getting the biggest out of 3. This is about the biggest of 3 numbers using the C programming, that is in your second program of your lab manual. Thank you.